Hi again, everybody. It's Monday morning, November 7th, 2022. Taking a look at the Astro Excel chart, we'll get the weekly forecast in here. You can see primarily the green line trend was being followed last week. We made high here in the high area. The green line came back up to about the zero line. We were pushing the green line down, double bottomed at the minus 30 level twice. After the second bottom was hit, the market low came in. Green line traded up. Market made high there. Green line dipped. The market took a little dip, slightly out of phase, and now we're tracking upward through today. We're going to peak here tonight at the plus 10 line, and then we're going to be stuck pretty much inside the 10 lines for most of the week, except as we move down into early Wednesday morning on the 9th, and we kind of flat bottom there for a while, and then we have a gradual drift up into the zone between the plus and minus 10 lines, and then we bottom out on Friday early in the morning around 8 o'clock, and we're kind of flat Friday there through the day. So that is down about the minus 15 area, so we should have some downside pressure there on Friday and here on Wednesday. From tomorrow, where we peak out here early in the morning of the 8th, we've got downward pressure into Wednesday. So that's the forecast for the week. We'll be back again tomorrow with another video. See you then.